Good morning, guys. Welcome to Paradise Fund channel. My name is Isaac Suarez. In this video, we are going to start a new uh, section in the channel in where we will monthly analyze the main layer 0, layer 1, and layer 2 blockchains in order to see how are they evolving in the main key metrics for a smart contract blockchain, okay? Before to start, I would like to make clear that this must not be taken as an investment decision. It's only for educational purpose only. Okay. With nothing more to say for starting, let's start. We will be based in the analysis that our team have prepared for us in this report. You will be able to find this report in PDF format for download in the description of the video and in our blog. So the first key point we are going to analyze is the number of protocols that are already running on the blockchain, okay? That constitutes the ecosystem of the blockchain. How big is the ecosystem, and how has the ecosystem evolved from the last month, okay? So the analysis of this time is regarding the month of December, how the blockchain has changed from November last year to December last year, okay? 1 month. So let's have a look. Here we have the list of blockchains we are going to analyze today, okay? We have here a bar diagram, column diagram in which we can see graphically, this is the number of protocols, okay, on the blockchain. And if we see at the bottom of every column, we can see another number. This number is regarding how many new protocols has been developed in the last month, okay? So we can see graphically and clearly here that Ethereum is the blockchain who has more protocols running on, with a total amount of 614. And we have also here Binance change as this in the second position, Polygon in the third position, Avalanche in the fourth, Phantom in the fifth. Okay, we can see here as the two layer 2 solutions of Ethereum is also in the 6th and 7th position. Okay, we can see that also this lane which is represented here. It's regarding the percentage, how the percentage, how much the blockchain has increased or reduced the number of protocols in percentage, okay, regarding the existing the number of protocols they has in the last month, okay. As we can see here, Aptos is who has the higher difference because they have still a lower amount of protocols. So as soon as 1 or 2 more protocols are launched, the percentage of increasement is high. We can see here also in a more graphical way as in terms of dApps, decentralized applications running on blockchain, Ethereum and Binance are the two giants, okay, the two big players, and is followed by Polygon, Phantom, and Avalanche. Then there are others blockchains who is also doing a good work in this terms, which is Cronos, Arbitrum, and Optimism, and Solana. We will see. We will leave you this report in the description, for you can analyze more in depth the numbers by yourself. So let's go with the next key metric. The next key metric we want to show is the total value locked in the blockchain. This means how many capital has already been blocked on the DeFi protocols and other protocols within a blockchain. Okay, it is also an indicative how active is the DeFi ecosystem of a blockchain. As of course, as higher is the total locked amount, more liquidity has this DeFi ecosystem. Here we can see that the differences between the big players and the small ones are even higher. Okay, we can see here as a Ethereum as the clear leader with that really big difference over the second and third position, who is Tron and Binance. Okay, we can see that in the last month, practically all the blockchains except Phantom and Optimism has lost liquidity. Okay, in terms of total lock value, and we can see here more graphically how Ethereum has the 64% of all the liquidity in locked in protocols. Okay, regarding those blockchains, this blockchains. Okay, third and second position is Binance and Tron, and the rest is shared between the other blockchains. The third key metric we are going to analyze is the number of validation nodes a blockchain has. As higher is the number of nodes a blockchain has, higher is the level of decentralization of the blockchain. And therefore, more secure and robust in terms of against hacks is this blockchain. Okay? So we can see here that, again, Ethereum is the leader in terms of number of validation nodes, with that total nodes of 10,400 nodes, okay, around the globe, and with that increasement of 2,600 new nodes in the last month. This is a lot. Okay, this is a lot. We can see here for all the keys. Okay, for all the key metrics we are analyzing today. Here is the total number of the key metric percent. In this case, the nodes. This is the increasement regarding the last month in percentage, and this is the increasement in number in terms of units. Okay, so we can see here that Tron is also here in the second position with uh, with uh, with here is a typographical, okay, mistake. This is the total amount of nodes of Tron, not Kronos. Okay, 5,400 nodes. Okay, for the second position. Solana would be in the third position with 2,300, and Algorand in the fourth with 1,600 nodes. This is also a typographical mistake. We have to talk with the guy who make these reports for fixing. Here we can see it in a more graphical way, okay, with Ethereum with the half of the cake and Tron with a quarter of the cake. With the metrics we have already seen, you can take very important insight about what is the weight of a blockchain in the field of the smart contract blockchains, and how are they performing. Okay, because it's not only who has today in the top, if not what are these blockchain doing in a daily basis in order to keep improving for still compete for being the leader. Okay, that's why we analyze all these metrics not only as the present metrics, if not in a monthly, how it changed in a monthly basis. The next key metric we are going to analyze is the market cap of the project. It means how much capital the project have received from investors, okay, in the market. So as we can see here, again, Ethereum is the leader with almost $150 billion in market cap. We can see also that in December, practically all the project has lose a market cap. In the second position is Binance, following by Polygon, Solana, and Avalanche in the third, fourth, and fifth position. Okay, you can see here again graphically how it looks like, and the fifth metric we are going to analyze is how strong is the community in Twitter for each of these projects. Okay, in the crypto ecosystem, Twitter is one of the main social media used, and it's can be a indicator to consider how strong is the community of the project in Twitter. So we can see here a surprise results, seeing that this time Binance is the leader with a lot of difference from the two position, which is Ethereum. And here we can see how good is the marketing strategy that Binance is doing. Okay, they are doing very well. In terms of followers in Twitter, we can see that the thing is more equilibrated between the projects. Okay, here we will be able to see it better. You can see here that Ethereum here has not too much difference with the rest of their competitors. Okay, it's almost the same number of followers than Solana and Polygon, and also Polkadot. And to the last metric we are going to analyze today is the launching date. Okay, the launching date is how long already the blockchain has been run. Okay, it's not the same. Has been running for already almost 7 years and a half. That's been running for 4 months. Okay. If we see that a blockchain has been already running from years, okay, and another blockchain only has been running for 5 months, and it's already, in terms of all the metrics we have seen today, it's already above the blockchain who has been running for years. It's an indicator that maybe the old blockchain is not performing as well as they should. Okay, we will can take, for example, the example of Tron, a blockchain, okay, which is one of the oldest one, and the example of Arbitrum, who is one of the newest ones. If we saw before, Arbitrum is almost above Tron in almost all the metrics, okay, the key metrics, being much younger than its competitor. We will leave you this report in the description in order you can take a more deep approach and analyze if you wish to. So this has been the video report of this month. We wish you have you have enjoyed, and it has been useful for give you an insight, more deeper insight about the blockchain ecosystem and how they work and what are the metrics to consider in order to take up a possible investment decision. Again, this is not a investment recommendation. It's just for educational purpose only. I would like to remind you that you can contact directly with us if you desire a personalized consulting session, or if you want to know more about the investment instruments we run in Paradise Fund. It would be a pleasure to explain you all of them in detail. Nothing else to say. I would like to wish you a nice and prosperous day. See you soon in the next video.